Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you're watching React Delight. So we are back after a long week break. Actually, my graduation is about to end and I'm very busy doing work for my thesis and my internship. That's why I couldn't able to record reactions, but I'm a little bit free now, so I will try to record as much reactions as I could for you guys. Uh, Without wasting any time, I'm super excited to see the first song from the movie Street 2. We have already reacted to the trailer and the teaser of the film, and it looks bang. It looks super amazing. If you haven't checked the reaction for the trailer and the teaser of the film, I will mention the link in the description. So the reviews of the songs are superb. Everybody is just loving the song, and I can't wait to see the video. I can't wait to witness the song as well. So without any further ado, let's check the video first and then we'll discuss about the video. Before move on to the video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to support me and to watch more, and do let me know in the comment section below what you guys want me to react to next. So let's watch this. Song is so refreshing. Tamanna looks absolutely gorgeous. The lyrics are very poetic. I would say the lyrics are very poetic. The beat of the song is very good, damn good beat. Uh, at the same time poetic vibes भी आ रही थी और at the same time club वाली vibes भी आ रही थी आपको कि if you are in a club and you want to listen something really refreshing and good, you can play the song as well. And if you are not in the club, you can play the song as well. I'm super excited to see how they fit the song in the film. Uh, and I guess in a trailer there's a part where Tamanna just fell and Stree or whatever Sarkata and whatsoever the ghost is just dragging her. तो मैं देखना चाह रहा हूँ कि मतलब सॉन्ग को किस तरह से रिलेट कर रहे हैं स्टोरी के साथ और एक्चुअली तमन्ना का क्या पार्ट होगा मूवी में. आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ शी इज तमन्ना इन द ट्रेलर और श्रद्धा at that particular part, but it seems more like Tamanna is playing a little bit part in the trailer as well and in the film as well. So we'll witness it soon, 15th of August, and I'm hoping the movie will get released as soon as possible to any OTT platform so we can watch it as well, because in Pakistan the movie will not be releasing in cinemas. I've heard a lot of news that the ban from the Indian movies and in India the ban from the Pakistani movies to play in the cinemas are about to end, but it doesn't seem a true news. So hoping for the best. The if we talk about the choreography, superb choreography. Tamanna nailed it. She nailed it. The expression game is so strong, and how could we forget the you know Stree gang? In the first part, it's Nora who played a song from the outside, and Rajkumar and all other gang boys have just got flat over her. And in part 2 it's Tamanna. And one thing additionally, Pankaj Tripathi's expressions. Man, this man has something that nobody else just has. How versatile kind of actor he is. When Tamanna passes by him and he was like, oh okay, everything is just fabulous. The set is looking damn good. Set is looking very good. She danced so well. It feels like the song's lyrics have been written in Urdu instead of Hindi. 15th of August. It's worth the wait, and I'm hoping and praying as well that it will get released on OTT platforms as soon as possible, so I can enjoy it as well and I can record my reaction for you guys, how I enjoyed the film and how much I liked the film. So this was the reaction. I hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to support me and to watch more, and do let me know in the comment section below what you guys want me to react to next. So until next time, see you guys, see you everyone.